fall more number of times, but it's important how you get up.
We have a lot that we've achieved. We must not be complacent.
My acceptance came from the industry after the public had accepted me with their support of my films.
I said, I want to be creative. So he said, you are a gold medalist computer engineer, how can you be creative? I said, ye kya baat hai?
It's always good to have a big goal in front of you.
You almost always win because you outfoxed your opponent. And if you lose, it's because you showed some weakness.
Whatever happens, we will always go out there and try and give 100% and try and make India proud.
We've been very fortunate to have a team of people that is so aligned with the interest of the organization.
In any field, it is impossible to achieve success unless you feel a very real connect with what you are doing.
I take this pledge because ye dil mange no more. No more goose. No more corruption. I take this pledge because it's my India, it's my today.
Motorsport in India is going to ride the Formula One wave for now, and hopefully it's going to grow into much bigger things in the years to come.
We are not completely inclusive, nor are we completely exclusive. We are somewhere in the middle, trying to figure out what is the best way to get there.
It's tough to go through 17 flops and go back to the house and have Mr. Amitabh Bachchan open the door.
And a glass plus scotch, ice full of beer, empty life. Girl come, life reverse gear.
जो अपने जीवन में जो बनना चाहे, जो करना चाहे वो जरूर करे। जो छूट जाए वो मेरे साथ आ सकते हैं।
मुझे विश्वास है कि जब बदलाव आता है तो सबकी बेहतरी उसमें होती है।
हम कहते हैं भ्रष्टाचार हो गया, चोरी हो गई, 2 लाख करोड़ का घोटाला हो गया। वो कहते हैं अरविंद की किरण बेदी से लड़ाई हो गई, मनीष ने जब गोलगप्पे खाए थे तो चटनी ज्यादा ले ली थी। इस तरह की चीजें उठाते हैं।
हो मैंने तुझे देखा हंसते हुए गालों में, बेज़र ख्यालों में, हुस्न के हवालों में, सोनी के बालों में, पीतल के थालों में, मट्टी के प्यालों में, पीतल के थालों में, जितनी तू मिलती जाए उतनी लगे थोड़ी थोड़ी। जब भी तूने अंगड़ाई आके मेरे ओरी तो दिल झूम झूम चले, झूम झूम चले। सोने यार दिल झूम झूम चले, झूम झूम चले सोने यार।
Do you think your good looks have contributed significantly to the advancement of your career?
As much as this microphone has contributed to the advancement of your question.
When a diamond cutter looks at a rough diamond, he gets excited about it. He doesn't crib about it. He doesn't say the road is bad, the ATM is bad, the government is bad, and everything is bad, the seats are bad, the bus is bad, the India is bad, and America is bad, and Bush is bad, and everything is bad. He sees an opportunity in that imperfection.
Looking back on life 30 years later, I've come to one conclusion that look, you have only one life. Don't live somebody else's dream for you. Live your own dream.
मेरा बच्चा लोग मेरा मसल देखकर बहुत खुश है।
पानी दा रंग देख के अखियां जो हंजूर उड़ गए।
पंजाबी कुड़िया है यार, हद होगी। स्पेशलिटी करोगे?
थल्ले आ हीठा आ जाओ,
आ जाओ। I can even jump. Or you fly, Superman.
बीजिंग ओलंपिक के बाद सभी ने मेरे को बोला कि हाँ ओलंपिक में आपका मेडल आ गया, अच्छा हो गया अब। और मगर जो मेरे साथ में रहते हैं
तो सभी ने बोला कि नहीं अभी आपके पास टाइम है, आप और अच्छा कर सकते हैं.
I didn't have the perfect 36, 24, 36, so I had to dress like a regular girl. And I think girls kind of reacted, and I wanted to be different. I wanted to be an individual. I didn't want to lose myself.
How's Delhi today? Is it rocking? दिल्ली वाले तो मुझे पहले से ही बड़े अच्छे लगते हैं, so definitely it's fun for me to be here.
Hi Priyanka.
Hi.
I'm the biggest fan of yours. Could you please just blow a kiss at us?
Catch it. जरा जरा है रोशनी से जैसे भरा हर दिल में अरमां होते तो हैं बस कोई समझे जरा.
The way I measure my success is how many Indians I've reached.
It is the people who really love Bengali cinema, who loves Bengali music. They are back to theatres, and now we need to take it more forward.
You just got to challenge yourself every single day. Don't be complacent. You just got to get out there, be prepared to do the hard work, because no one else is going to do it for you.
In my childhood, nobody would have imagined that I could dream of becoming an actor, but I dreamt and I became.
Politics doesn't happen by accident. If it does, then your intention is wrong.
You have to know for yourself when is the right time to commit. It's not always the right time to commit.
সেদিনের মতো কলেজের ক্লাস শেষ হয়ে গেছে অবকাশ পাওয়া গেছে ফের দেখার আকাশ নীলচে সময়.
How many roads must a man walk down before they call him a man?
ਅੱਖਾਂ ਦੇ ਕਟੋਰੇ ਸੁਰਮਾ ਬਟੋਰੇ ਲੱਗਦੇ ਛੁਛੋਰੇ ਬੜੇ ਹਾਏ ਫਾਏ ਦਿਲ पे तराती साढ़े चल जाती मारे दिल को लाठी पूछे वाए वाए.
Mine, 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 rock.